We recommend to Prime Day 2023, if you want to buy Flymiro Lighted Makeup Mirror with 72 LED lights, Travel Portable Mirror with 3-color lighting and touchscreen dimming, 1800 mAh, USB Rechargeable, Vanity Tabletop Desk Cosmetic. Foldable Mirror. Appropriate time has arrived. Prime Day is an annual event just for well known that it is shopping time on Amazon. And this year Amazon have selected many products to shop for everyone on your list during Prime Day 2023 event. We hope you get all the products you want from Prime Day 2023 festival. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Again, if you want to buy this product, appropriate time has arrived. Tip for buy. Bookmark from link in YouTube description part and check back for new all details every day. If you can't wait, click Prime Day 2023 for all of our present all product details. If you want to get full features and full details of Flymiro Lighted Makeup Mirror with 72 LED lights, Travel Portable Mirror with 3-color lighting and touchscreen dimming, 1800 mAh, USB Rechargeable, Vanity Tabletop Desk Cosmetic. Foldable Mirror, please visit the link in YouTube description below. And if you do not understand, not sure or have questions, you can leave questions in the comments box. In addition, if you think our channel that's something useful for you, please press to subscribe us, press the bell, look for all and press it, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.